Choo-choo, here comes the giggle train, rolling soft through this sleepy town. Choo-choo, here comes the giggle train, rolling soft through this sleepy town. All these tiny shoes on the platform, trying to turn my blues around. Here comes a giggle train, full of laughter down the lane. Kids jump in and shout hooray, fun is coming right our way. But I watch from the shadows as it slowly pulls away. Little hands on the window glass, waving hard at a stranger's face. Little hands on the window glass, waving hard at a stranger's face. I raise mine up a little late, they're already leaving this place. Here comes a giggle train, full of laughter down the lane. Kids jump in and shout hooray, fun is coming right our way. Their joy sounds like a memory of a life I let decay. Steam curls into the moonlight, soft as a child's first sigh. All that color on those faces, carriages roll by. I stand here on this platform, laughing just to keep from crying. Oh, here comes a giggle train, full of laughter down the lane. Kids jump in and shout hooray, fun is coming right our way. I whisper, right on, little dreamers, while my heart drifts the other way.